Hello students, welcome to the online lecture series organized by Gokhale Education Society Nashik. Today we are going to learn Prose section 1.4 Big Data, Big Insights. Students, we all agree that knowledge is power. With each passing year, technology and our ability to collect massive amounts of data continues to increase. These changes are spurring huge paradigm shifts in many industries around the world. Data is knowledge, and that knowledge is incredibly powerful, whether it is for social and financial analysts, governments, or business owners. The trend towards big data is rapidly becoming the way of the future, and big data has the potential to significantly change the way we manage many elements of work, research, and development, and even our daily lives. So, what is big data? To put it in a simple words, big data is larger, more complex data sets, especially from new data sources. These data sets are so voluminous that traditional data processing softwares just can't manage them. But these massive volumes of data can be used to address business problems which you wouldn't have been able to tackle before. Big data is a field that treats ways to analyze, systematically extract information from, or otherwise deal with data sets. The data sets are too large or complex to be dealt with by traditional data processing application software. Big data challenges include capturing data, data storage, data analysis, search, sharing, transfer, visualization, updating information, privacy setting, and data source. When we hit a like button for a particular video or post something on Facebook, or when we make online purchases or search anything on Google, it is all recorded, monitored, and analyzed. So, a huge amount of data is collected. This big data can be in petabytes or in exabytes of data, which consist of billions or trillions of records of millions of people. Data available to industries and companies is enormously increasing in volume, variation, velocity, veracity, and value. The size of the data determines the value and potential insight. Variety of big data helps big data analytics to analyze it effectively. Velocity means the speed at which the data is generated and processed to meet the demands and challenges that lie in the path of growth and development. With the big data, industries are trying to reap maximum benefits from it. So, what are the uses of big data? What is big data used for? Big data has been used in the industry to provide customer insights for transparent and simpler products. By analyzing and predicting customer behavior through data from social media, GPS enabled devices, and CCTV footage. The big data also allows for better customer retention from insurance companies. Now, let us see how big data plays an important role in location tracking. Big data is useful in identifying and tracking the exact location of a place. GPS and Google Maps make use of the big data. It makes us easier to plan the route according to the travel time. If you have ordered something online, you can track the location of your goods. So, the location tracking has helped the logistic companies to reduce the risk in transport and improve the speed in delivery. Big data helps us in understanding the weather patterns. There are weather sensors and satellites set up all around the globe, and huge amount of data is continuously being received from them. They help us to understand the weather and help in weather forecasting. It also gives us a warning of upcoming natural calamities like flood, cyclone, etc. Healthcare industry is a major industry which is highly influenced by big data. As people have become health conscious, smartwatches and other health apps in our mobiles keep on collecting different type of data. With the help of the big data, the doctors can have a better diagnosis of any ailment. Big data helps us in monitoring the outbreaks of epidemics and diseases. The level of data generated in healthcare industry is not trivial. With the added adoption of e-health and wearable technologies, the volume of data will continue to increase extensive information. Big data has a major role to play in banking, finance, and trading sector. Big data analytics can study investment patterns of people. Big data makes it possible to run these agencies very smoothly. Banking and finance sector uses big data to predict and prevent cyber crimes, card fraud detection, failures in net banking, etc. Big data is beneficial to monitor financial markets for illegal trades and suspicious activities. Security Exchange Commission uses network analytics and natural language processors to identify possible frauds in the financial markets. Big data is also used to make trading decisions. Big data can be used to improve training and understanding competitors by using sports sensors. It is also possible to predict winners in a match using big data analytics. Future performance of players could be predicted as well. With the help of the sensors, it is possible to understand field condition, the weather, individuals' performance, etc. Video analytics also help us to understand each and every performance minutely. Advertisers are one of the biggest players in big data, be it Facebook, Google, Twitter, YouTube, or any online app. They all keep track of users' behavior and transactions. All these online apps provide data of users' behavior to the advertisers. When you search a particular product, you keep getting recommendations regarding it on other apps too. This is all possible due to big data. In short, your online activity is recorded and monitored and used by the advertisers. Big data makes it possible to understand digital media and entertainment consumption and behavior that can be used along with traditional demographic data to provide personalized advertising in the right context, at the right time, and in the right place. By using big data to understand why consumers subscribe and unsubscribe, entertainment companies can develop the best promotional and product strategies to attract and retain customers. Big data also aims at targeting people with necessary content or need based content, which is based on your own behavior or the content that you browse on Google or YouTube. This technique brings out better revenues from advertisements. Big data plays an important role in the education industry. It keeps a record of students and their study patterns. Customized learning programs can be designed using big data. It gives new insights to education industry. It also helps in improving the operational effectiveness working in educational industry. Individual progress of student can be guessed along with his strength and weaknesses. It also helps students to choose the best career for them. Apart from all these uses, there are many other innumerable uses of big data. It helps in scientific research. It also helps in understanding geographical phenomena, and it does help in smooth working of government machinery. Now, after learning so many uses of big data, let us revise all the uses of big data once again. Let us summarize it.